Hey guys, it's Miss Carell. I hope you guys are doing really well. I wanted to pop on and just give you a few instructions about your code.org lesson today. When you are in your Google Classroom, you're going to see an assignment that is for code.org, and it's going to say C4. When you click on that assignment, it's going to have a link at the bottom. When you click the link, it's going to take you to the page that you see in front of me. This first level has a video for you to watch that talks to you a little bit about coding. Sometimes people think that coding is really hard, but it's really not. It's actually just giving the computer instructions and directions in the order that we want them to be completed. You're going to use what we call the drag and drop method, which is pulling blocks and putting the blocks in order to get your Angry Bird to get to the pig and smash him. So let's take a look at some of the levels. After you're done watching your video, when you scroll to the bottom, you're going to click continue. And that's going to take you to level 2. Your directions are always at the top. Your blocks are here. Your building space is here. And this is what you click when you feel like you have completed a level. Your blocks do have to be connected all to the when run block. If they look like this, kind of like they're not fully colored, it's because it's not been connected. So make sure those get connected. When you are finished, come over and click run. If you happen to get it wrong, you can always click reset and then go back and fix your code. You're going to continue to work through each level, and the levels will get progressively harder as you go. So they're going to start out really easy, and then they're going to get a little bit harder and a little bit harder. So I'm going to jump over to the middle of the lesson. This is level 5. And so as you can see, we have added more than just a forward block. Sometimes there's a turn right or a turn left. When you're talking about a code, you have to think about the bird being on the screen. And if you were standing in the bird's position, what would you do? Because sometimes when we look at the screen, we see our bird and we see that we would want him to move forward, but then we would want him to go down. Well, in order to go down, he would actually need to turn right and then move forward again. So I'm going to bring up a turn right and a move forward. And let's see where that gets him. Forward, turn right, forward. Now, I need him to turn again to go to the right. Well, I guess that way. The screen's a little backwards. So I want him to turn right and then move forward again. Once I change my code, I come over and click reset and then run it again. And it highlights it as it goes through, right? Forward, right. Oh, that one was wrong. Do you see how he turned the wrong way? So I can come over here and change this block from right to left and try it again. Remember, you have to do the directions from the perspective of the bird. As you work through these levels, I want you just to try to do your best. I know you might not be able to do it 100% perfectly. If one seems to be too hard, just skip it and go to the next one. When you get to the very end, level 11, you're going to have some more free space. Be careful of the TNT. If you run into the TNT, it's going to make you explode. But once you are done with level 11, go back to Google Classroom and to the assignment and make sure you click mark as done. That is how I am going to be checking to see if you completed your assignments, and that's how you will be getting your grade. If you guys have any questions or you need any help, you can always reach out to me on Google Classroom, or you can send me an email. My email is on Google Classroom, and I would be happy to set up a time to do a Google Meet with you to help you through a level if you're really having issues. All right? Good luck as you program your Angry Birds, and I will check back in with you on the next lesson. Bye, guys.